Welcome to this complete electrical wire connection tutorial. In this video, I show 4 practical and reliable wire joint methods that are commonly used in electrical installation and repair work. You will learn how to connect copper wires, make strong wire joints, connect aluminum wires correctly, and improve the strength of electrical connections using simple techniques. This tutorial is designed for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone interested in learning basic electrical skills. Every connection shown in this video is demonstrated step by step so you can clearly understand the process. Always disconnect the power before working on electrical wiring. Use the correct tools and follow local electrical regulations. This video is for educational purposes and should not replace professional electrical work where required. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.